Good morning, friends. So we are here now in resort, which is in our place, Tulang Sambales, Philippines, and they have a very beautiful location. And we rented a villa here, which is 2 bedroom. And let's find out what's inside, my friend. So this is the canopy one. So if we this is 2 bedrooms and villa and 1 bathroom, and they have a little bit of small pool here. So let's use this. And it's kind of a little bit, it's a stage, my friend. And you can hear the chirping of birds, and they have the chair there and the lounge there. So let's sit down for a little bit here. It's my husband waiting for our grandkid and the daughter to fix their self before we're gonna go to eat breakfast. So there's a lot of things you can see outside. This is near by the ocean or by the beach. So for right now, I'm inside the villa. So when we came here yesterday, the pool is so clean, and now because it kind of windy yesterday, so maybe they're gonna clean up this morning. So that's the one, my friend. And you know what? The temperature here is 100 degrees Fahrenheit. It's so hot, my friend. Really, we're in a tropical place and it's so warm, very, very warm. So in case you go to this, it's a resort, one of the best resort in Zambales, and a lot of people are coming by here to spend their time once in a while for relaxation. So okay, my friend, this is all for now, and see you again later on. There are a lot more things coming up. So this is our second day here. We just arrived yesterday. Okay, bye.